Hi.
So there's no, there's anything we can help you with, okay?
Oh wow, they got a lot of Halloween stuff. They have Halloween orange and chocolate creams. These are lollipops. Assorted chocolate.
I don't like the tea taste.
Oh, that one looks cool. Halloween cat box. I was thinking about the pumpkins. This is the C's chocolate goodie bag that I picked up at the store in Indianapolis. Just a nice little gift bag, and I am gonna go ahead and open it up and see if the chocolate is any good. All right, the goodie bag just had 2 items, this box of chocolates and this bag of milk chocolate, and altogether it was $20.25. I really just bought it because I love the vintage look of the box of chocolates and the little tote bag. I believe there's a C's Candy in St. Louis. I've just never been to it. I always go to Bissinger's or chocolate. So do not know if how the chocolate tastes. So that's why I bought the box, because I'm obsessed with the little witch and cat design. All right, the chocolate looks really, really good. There is no guide telling me what is what. I already know these are toffee. Any skinny thing like that is chocolate covered toffee. This is probably going to be a caramel, and these are probably like creams, and then more milk chocolate balls. All right, taste test time. I don't really like dark chocolate, but I'm gonna start with the dark chocolate. So when I'm done eating it, I can wash it down with the milk chocolate. I am guessing this is gonna be a caramel. And I was wrong. It's just like a truffle. It's good though. I don't know why I never eat C's chocolate. It's really, really good. I like that truffle. I like that it's dark chocolate, but it's not overpowering. I don't really know why I have such a bad rap for dark chocolate. It's not my favorite. I think I've had so many that are like too dark. This is just the milk chocolate ball. Dr. Pepper. This is my last cold Dr. Pepper. I'm gonna have to start drinking my husband's Coke. It's not the best milk chocolate I've ever ate. Most likely, what my husband doesn't eat, I'll end up just melting down and dip fruit in it. That's what I do with like the plain chocolate. I tend to just melt it down in the microwave, and I love dipping banana slices in chocolate. That's probably what I'll do. It's good milk chocolate, but I've had better. All right, I'm gonna try 2 more because I gotta save some of these for my husband. I'm gonna go with the round one because I'm hoping this is a white cream. That's my favorite white cream, vanilla creams. And I was wrong. But it's still good. It's actually a milk chocolate cream. So there's 2 more, not counting the toffee. I will save those for my husband. Sorry, I need a Dr. Pepper break. My Dr. Pepper that is becoming scarce. I can still find Dr. Pepper in the bottles easily, but I don't know what it is. I like the taste of Dr. Pepper in cans much better. I'll drink the bottles when I'm out and about, because when you're traveling with a screw-on lid is a lot easier than cans. But at home, Dr. Pepper in the can is the way to go. All right, my review is C's. They're really, really good. I will buy it again when I see them again. I think the price was reasonable. The little box, all these milk balls, and a little cute keeper tote bag for $20. I think that's a reasonable price. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I'm not throwing this away. I'll upcycle it into something else. All right, one last chocolate. Oh my God, I used to love, I still do, don't get me wrong, but I used to go crazy for Score bars. You know, a Score bar. You know, there's a Score bar, and then what's the other one? A Heath bar. I prefer Score over Heath. I don't remember why, because it's been so long. But oh man, I would eat Score bars all the time. It's not what I thought it was. It's like a Score bar, but it's not. Because if you're familiar with Score bar, it's like dark toffee. And this is light toffee. And I don't know what it tastes like. It's definitely not as good as a Score bar. Still good. I just don't know what that is. Still good, but besides the chocolate, whatever the crunchy stuff in the middle, it doesn't have much of a flavor. All right. I'm gonna quit eating. Save some for my husband. So cute. I kind of wish I would have just, don't really need all these chocolate milk balls. But my husband likes just plain chocolate, so he'll end up eating these. They're not gonna go to waste. I'll put them back in the cute little bag. Isn't that adorable? And the little ribbons. Now I remember why I quit eating Score bars. Because that toffee sticks to my teeth and annoys the heck out of me. And now I want to go brush my teeth. And there's nothing worse than brushing your teeth right after chocolate, or right after eating chocolate. I like to keep that chocolate taste for a little bit. But now I'm gonna have to brush my teeth. So annoying. But overall, I definitely recommend C's chocolate candy, and I hope everyone has a wonderful Halloween. I hope none of your guys' trick-or-treating is canceled. I don't know, it's still a week away. It's not canceled in our area, and I did buy a bunch of chocolate to hand out, but I'm also gonna have my niece that weekend, so it's up to her whether she wants to go trick-or-treating or stay with us and hand out, or like if she wants to go trick-or-treating, I'll go walk around with her, and then if she doesn't want to go trick-or-treating, I'm gonna buy, I have like a huge I'm gonna buy her a bunch of candy, and I got her plush and some candy, she's at that age, that point where should you, you know, like this will, if she goes trick-or-treating, this will be absolutely the last year that she goes trick-or-treating. She's at that age, like she's in 8th grade. So like, should she or shouldn't she? I know, I kind of feel like anyone should be allowed to trick-or-treat. I go to Disney, so it's like Disney lets everyone trick-or-treat. But then I also know when I'm handing out candy and there's a bunch of high schoolers coming through at 8 p.m., I'm always like, oh, should you really be trick-or-treating? And that's kind of like a hypocrite of me, because as an adult, I love trick-or-treating at Disney, but handing out candy, I love handing out candy to itty-bitty kids. So she's at that age where like one minute she wants to go and then one minute she doesn't. And if she does, this will be the absolutely last year that she trick-or-treats. So I don't know. I'll keep you informed. I'll probably do a video if we do trick-or-treat. And if either way, she's gonna get a big bag of chocolates from me. So anyway, I'm rambling again. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.